In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Squarespace trial site. If you've spent time designing and setting up a stunning website during your trial period with Squarespace, you'll probably want to share your hard work with others before making any final decisions. Here's a straightforward process to guide you through sharing your trial site with a select audience. First things first, open up your preferred web browser and search for Squarespace. Simply type Squarespace into your search bar and navigate to their main site. Once you've reached the Squarespace homepage, look for the Get Started button and give it a click. This action will guide you into the site management area of your account. Now, within your Squarespace site manager, look over to the menu options on the left-hand side. Click through to Settings and then proceed to Site Availability. This section controls who can see your site and will be the focus of our next steps. At this stage, your site is likely set to Private, meaning it's visible only to you. To share it with others, you'll need to modify the site availability settings. Change this from Private to Password Protected. This setting allows you to keep your site secure while granting access to those you want to share it with via a password. You'll then be prompted to create a password. Choose something secure yet memorable, as you will need to provide this password to anyone you wish to access your trial site. Keep in mind, this should be a password you're comfortable sharing with friends, colleagues, or potential collaborators who will be previewing your site. Next up, you'll want to provide people with the right URL to access your trial site. Copy the built-in domain URL provided by Squarespace. It usually looks something like yoursitename.squarespace.com. This is the address that viewers will enter into their browser in order to pull up your site. Now, share the URL along with the password you've set up with your intended viewers. This step can be done via email, a messaging app, or any way you typically communicate with others. Once they receive this information, your viewers can simply enter the URL in their browser and input the password you've provided to access your site. That brings us to the conclusion of how you can share your Squarespace trial site effectively. This solution offers a great way to gather feedback and share your work securely before your site goes fully live. Remember, controlling who sees your site allows you to refine your content with helpful insights before taking any further steps towards launching your finished product. Thanks for tuning in, and happy sharing.